Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up in their Fab Fit Fun, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, finally my box arrived. This here is in August. Wait, is that the fall box or the summer box? I guess it's the fall box. Are these fall colors-ish? I don't know, the pink threw me. Technically, I guess it is the fall box. If anyone isn't aware of what Fabfitfun is, it is a quarterly lifestyle box, which costs, I want to say it went up in price. Is it $55 now? I can't remember. But if you pay annually, it's like $5 less. I pay annually. The other benefit of annual payment is you get to select all of your products. Now, if you pay quarter by quarter or season to season, it's the $5 more. And I think you can select some of your products, but not all of them. Maybe 3. I don't know. Someone leave me a comment and let me know. I've never done the quarter by quarter. I just do the year at a time because I like selecting what I want. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what I got. And in case you're new, welcome. Feel free to subscribe and click the bell and hit the like button, all that good stuff. The reason why I don't remember, even though I selected this, I'm 55 years old and old lady brain is real. And I made these choices, I don't know, over a month ago. I can't remember. But that makes it fun and exciting when I do the unboxing. All right, enough rambling. Let's get started. First things first, this has got to be like the smallest box I've ever received. And I'm curious, because normally I always feel the boxes are huge, but they don't need to be. So I'm wondering if they're like saving the environment, saving on shipping, or what the deal is. I like the smaller box, although psychologically, I think you feel like you get more items when the box is huge. Okay, it does come with the pamphlet, which I have not once ever looked at. They also throw in a bunch of coupons. Yeah, that's how I feel about those. All right, first item. I so do not remember selecting this, which I assume will be some kind of sunglasses. All right, these are from a brand called Lele Sadoughi. I'm sure I just butchered that. Look how cute. Okay, hopefully they work on my face shape. All right, try not to get that ring light glare. Ooh, all right, perfect timing, because as soon as I get done filming, I'm heading off for a fun weekend getaway. Me and my husband just celebrated our 20-year anniversary. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I may or may not have selected some extras. So when you do your selections, there are 6 choices, and let's say on choice 1, they have 8 products you could choose from. And you really can't decide whether you want sunglasses or a blanket. After you make your selection, they will offer up the other products at a reduced price. Typically, the first choice drops down to like $15, second choice as well. By the third and the fourth, it's around $10, and the last, 5th and 6th drop down to usually around $7. I may have done that. And I have a feeling the sunglasses may have been that item. I don't know. Something will float on screen if anything was an extra. All right, next item. Did I boo-boo? What? Did I select this? And I'm assuming it's the same. What is going on? I have no clue, because I rarely would pick sunglasses, and I know I wouldn't pick it twice. Did they accidentally send it to me, or did I pay for this twice? Oh, goodness. Yes, so these are the same. I'm going to leave them in the little bubble wrap until I can figure out what I want to do. Keep as a backup, because I am known to lose and or break sunglasses. Or should I keep them for a giveaway? All right. Wow. Off to a good start, aren't we? All right. Next item. What is this? Okay, please tell me this is like a little free gift. This is from Lumify, from Bausch and Lomb's. Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours, reduces redness. Sample not for sale. Okay, so this is a little freebie. Every now and again, we get something for free in the box. All right, so the next item I do recall selecting. This here is the vegetable chopper from Epare. And I love to cook, but I'm a lazy girl. I love garlic. I love fresh herbs. I love onions, but I'm lazy. So I figured there wasn't a lot in that choice that, floated my boat. But I've been thinking about getting one of these off of Amazon. I thought, why not? This is what it looks like. Open the lid, toss in your veggies, and it has what I call like a lawnmower starter. You just pull this, and that makes the blades, and they're double rows of blades, swoosh around. All right, I am super excited about that product because garlic I love, but usually my garlic press is like in the sink or the dishwasher, and then I'm like, I don't feel like chopping up a bunch of garlic, but I love garlic, so yes. All right, next item. Ooh, I'm super excited. I love this brand. This here is from Glow Recipe, and it's the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Please smell like watermelon. This brand has the cutest packaging, and they did not disappoint. Okay, so this is real glass. I don't know if they'll pick up on camera. It's not completely rectangular. It kind of goes in and out. It's a soft pink. All right, ooh, and it comes with a pump. All right, let's pump some out and see if it smells good. Yes, it's a light gel-like formula, which I love. Oh, yes, it smells like watermelon. All right, I am super excited about that product. All right, next item. All right, what do we have here? It is from Dr. Brandt. I love Dr. Brandt. This is the Hydrating Essence. Ooh, tone, soothe, revitalize. Yes. All right, so I love spray bottles. I love face mist. I love makeup finishers. I love toners that come in a spray. This one looks to be all rolled into one. Let's see how good the mister is. That looks very promising. Now, it says toner, replenisher. I already got makeup on. I really don't care. Let's try it on my face. All right. Got some in my eye. It is a nice mister. I would hold it out a little further. The first two were good, and then I got a big old glob on this side of my face. So let's match the craziness. It does have a subtle scent of nothing specific. It could just be the ingredients, but I do smell something not obnoxious. All right, next item. All right, what is this? Oh, it's from Spongellé. Whenever I hear her say that name, A, I got to pronounce it in an Italian accent, and B, it makes me think of Nola. Hey, Nola. All right, so this here is in Freesia Pear. It's a hand and body lotion. I am constantly putting lotion on my hands. Let's see if it smells like beautifulness. Okay, so it's in my head what Pear and Freesia smell like. This smells more like Freesia and Zero Pear. It's okay. It reminds me of like my grandma. Like almost like, is there a rose in here? Not so bad where I wouldn't use it. It's going on my hands, but not the pear that I was hoping for. But hey, I love a good hand cream. All right, next item. Ooh, yes, now it's coming back to me. I have here from Nars, and this is their blush. And I already own a Nars blush in the infamous, what's that called? Sex Orgasm. That's it. But this is in the shade, oh God, worse than Orgasm, Deep Throat. If you're old enough to know that reference, leave me a comment and let me know which president was in office when that term came about. I can't remember the shade. Oh, okay. It is a very soft, kind of peachy pink. There is the swatch, and it does have a soft little shimmer. There doesn't seem to be any glitter, but it is giving like a nice little glow. I haven't used the Nars Orgasm in forever, and I swear it looked like that. Let me grab it and swatch it next to it, just in case anyone was curious how it differs from the Orgasm. All right, so here's the Orgasm, and here is the Deep Throat. They are very, very similar. All right, the Orgasm is slightly softer and lighter and almost seems more shimmery, but there you go. The next item is from Glossier, and I see some lips on this. The writing's very tiny. What are you? Oh yes, I did pick this. So this is the Birthday Balm in Dotcom, and it is, let's stop speculating and open her up. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it comes in a tube. Are you going to squeeze out, or please have a doe foot? No, no doe foot. Boo. I am lazy and sanitation. I don't like stuff where you got to do this, but let's give her a little squeeze if she'll come out. Oh, she's thick. All right, how's the consistency of like Vaseline? Smells good. Feels good, not sticky. Smells like birthday cake. Sweet, but not too sweet. All right, I will always use and enjoy a lip balm. But you know, if I'm picking a lip balm, the selection items weren't that great. And if you also noticed, this box does not seem like a fall box. This could be a spring box. This could be a summer box. Not a winter box, but definitely I did not feel like the choices were very fall-like this year. All right, and the last item is from Fenty. Don't remember picking anything from Fenty. What is this? All right, it is in Unbutton. Still don't know what it is. Get my little friend here. All right, it's a Stunna lip paint. Oh, okay. Thank goodness I put some lip balm on before a lip paint. Oh, yes. Okay. I think this might have been an add-on. Look how beautiful this packaging is. It's like a fancy nail polish, but it's a lip product. Ooh, okay. So it has a little, one of those stubby, chubby kind of applicators. Let's do a swatch. All right, it's right there. All right, I already have 2 lip products on, plus I just added that lip balm. So why don't we just add one more? All right, she's a little more bronzy orange than I would normally care for. And it is very creamy, not sticky, not drying. And it's the type that would probably fare better if I'd used a lip liner. But what do you think? Okay, let's recap everything I got in the Fall 2022 Fabfitfun. I got a vegetable chopper from Epare, a hand and body lotion from Spongellé, a lip balm from Glossier, a hydrating essence from Dr.Brandt, a Longwear liquid lipstick from Fenty, a blush from Nars, some sunglasses, and the watermelon pink juice moisturizer from Glow Recipe. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I think I got my $55 worth of products. However, none of this is screaming fall. Now, do I really care about that? At the end of the day, I'm going to say no. But what is nice, or typically in the past about Fabfitfun, is in the fall, if you get like a candle or something pumpkin spice or a pumpkin itself. In the winter, you get wintry stuff. This was just any day of the year kind of products, which is fine. I'm just making a comment. Let me know down below your thoughts. Do you agree with me? Do you get Fabfitfun? And if so, did you also find it not quite as seasonal as previous boxes? All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total value of my box. Let's see how we did. I did get some bougier makeup between the Nars, the Fenty, etc. So that should push the price point up. If they say that this costs more than $20, I'm calling shenanigans, because I'm fairly certain I can get something very similar off of Amazon. The sunglasses, these are plastic. So if they say this costs more than $15 to $19, again, shenanigans, because I've gotten similar pairs from Target for about that price point. I love that I picked up this glow recipe. Overall, I like everything I got in this box. Just doesn't seem very fall-like. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.